This is question 5, parts 1 and 2 from exercise 2.2 in Text and Test 4 New Edition. For what value or values of k does each of the following equations have equal roots? In order to figure this out, what we're going to do is we're going to use the discriminant. Now, the formula for the discriminant is over on the right here in yellow. So when a quadratic equation is written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, the formula for the discriminant is going to be b squared minus 4ac. So in order, and using our discriminant, if we want to get equal roots, then it means that our discriminant has to be equal to 0. So we're going to get our discriminant from each one and then set it equal to 0 and solve it out. We'll start with part 1. Our discriminant is going to be minus 10 squared minus 4 times 1 times k. And that's going to be equal to 0 because we want to have equal roots. So this is going to be 100 minus 4k is equal to 0, like so. And then that means that 4k is equal to 100, which means that k is going to be equal to 25. So when k is 25, that equation in part 1 will have equal roots. Alright, now let's have a look at part 2. In part 2, our discriminant is going to be k squared minus 4 times 4 times 9. And that's going to be equal to 0 because we want to have equal roots. So from that we're going to get k squared minus 144. And if we factorize that out, we're going to get k minus 12 multiplied by k plus 12. And then we're going to set both of them separately equal to 0, so we get k minus 12 equals 0 and k plus 12 equals 0, meaning that k is equal to 12 and k is equal to minus 12. So those are the two values that you could use for k that would give equal roots in that equation. And that is that.